Can these ordinary potatoes really grow more potatoes in my garden? So, the other day, while cleaning out my pantry, I ran across some store bought potatoes that were past their prime as far as consumption. However, I thought, don't throw them away. Let's see if we can grow new potatoes with them. Now, there is a misconception that store-bought potatoes cannot be used to grow new potatoes. If you have potatoes that are newly purchased from your grocery store, then yeah, that is the case in that many potatoes have a chemical sprayed on them that stops the producing of or stops the potato rather from producing eyes or sprouts. Now, you could wash your potato and that will get rid of it, or you can let the potato go past its prime and that will get rid of it also. The three potatoes that I have today, I'm going to cut into smaller pieces so that we have more plants eventually. Now, if your potato is the size of an egg like this, you really don't need to cut it. But if it is bigger than that, then you can cut it in half. Also, too, you can, once you cut it, you can choose to let the potato scab over, or you can choose not to. In today's demonstration, I'm not going to let it scab over. I've done this before, and the potatoes will go ahead and grow as normal. So let's go over to our container that we're going to put them in and get started. We're here in container row, and this is a 40-gallon container that I got three of these 40s from Walmart a couple years ago. And up until last year, I never really planted in them. The first thing we're going to do is to amend the soil that is in this container. And we're going to do that by adding some homemade compost, some more soil, and then we're going to add some nutrients to it, such as a mixture of a general tomato purpose fertilizer, some bone meal, some blood meal, and some alfalfa pellets. Now, we're going to go ahead and do this time lapse and then come back and actually do the planting. So we have amended our soil, and this is what it looks like. It looks very healthy and fertile. Now I'm going to go ahead and plant the potatoes. First, I'm going to cut them in half. So instead of having three potatoes, we'll have 6 pieces of potatoes, and then we'll come back and plant. we have our seed potatoes planted, and in here I have some pine shavings that I'm going to use as a mulch, and we're just going to spread it out evenly into the bed. And take our water emitter, we stick it in, and just like that, we are done. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we planted our second planting of potatoes for the season. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart, and I hope you got something out of it. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Would you all be interested in planting, if you could, store-bought potatoes? It's better than throwing them away. Leave me a comment. I'm interested to know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I can't grow is a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you're interested in any of the seeds or materials used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both are in the description portion of the video. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.